Bothering me. Well, do you know what the sun is? I forgot the beginning part. Okay. Every day you look up at the sun, you are closer and closer to your death. Do you know what the sun is? It is a star. Do you know the life cycle of a star? I was really erasing when you said that. I was like, no. Good? It's okay. Keep that rolling. It's okay. Okay. Redo. Take two. Take two. Take three. Take three. Every day you look up at the sun, you are closer and closer to your death. Do you know what the sun is? It is a star. Do you know the life cycle of a star? We are going to explain. The first stage is when the star is born. Stars are born in a region or place of high density nebula, and condenses into a huge globe of gas and dust, and contrasts under its own gravity. A region of condensing matter will begin to heat up and start to grow, forming protostars. If a protostars contain enough matter, then the central temperature reaches 15 million centigrade. At this temp, nuclear reactions in which the hydrogen fuses so helium can form. That's the same way nuclear form and fuse a star. The star begins to release energy, stopping it from contracting even more and causes it to shine. It is now called a main sequence star. A star of one solar mass remains in main sequence for about 10 billion years, until all of the hydrogen has fused to form helium. The helium core now starts to contract further, and functions begin to occur in a shell around the core. What? I'm struggling. Can't find nothing. The core is hot the core is hot enough for the helium to fuse to form carbon. The outer layers begin to expand, cool, and shine brightly. The expanding star is now called a red giant. The helium core runs out, and the outer layers drift away from the core as a gaseous shell. This gas that surrounds the core is called planetary nebula. The remaining core, that's 80% of the original star, is now a white dwarf. The star eventually cools down. Shining. The dead star is now called a black dwarf. And that is the end of